How to create bootable windows in USB. Open any browser and search Ventoy. Click on Download. Click on Ventoy Windows. Zip. Click on Ventoy Windows. Zip. Now Ventoy is downloaded. After the download, click on Download. Click on Download. File. Open Ventoy folder. Click on Ventoy to disk and plug in USB in the system and click on the Install button. We need Windows ISO for us apps. How to download Windows. Open browser. Open. Get into PC website. Click on Operating System. Scroll your mouse down. Click on the download. Copy your downloaded file and paste in USB.